Well, hello everyone, Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Greek sauce for you. It's called Tzatziki. I got the idea while on holiday. It's a sauce that you can have with pretty much everything. It is so tasty, and even though we've come back home to the UK, I'm still making it now. Before we start, I don't want to bore you, but just check out a few of these holiday snaps. And this Tzatziki sauce is made from just 5 ingredients, that's all. 5 ingredients, it's just so easy. We have here a yogurt, we've got some salt, we've got some garlic, we've got a lemon, and we've got an English cucumber. Now firstly we'll prep the cucumber. We'll need about a half of this one. I'm going to peel this, but of course that is optional. Some people leave the skin on. Then coarsely grate this. Then we add some salt. Give this a little mix. And then put this aside for 10 or 15 minutes. Now as you can see, the salt after 10 minutes has drawn all of this moisture out of the cucumber. We don't want that moisture in our tzatziki sauce. It will make our sauce far too soggy. Then we're going to go ahead and dump all of our cucumber onto some clean kitchen towel. And wring out all of that moisture so that we don't get a watery tzatziki. That would be awful, wouldn't it? Now when you purchase your yogurt, make sure you get a full fat yogurt, a really thick Greek yogurt like this one. It's almost virgin on cheese, it's so thick and creamy. So there we have our Greek yogurt. And then goes our prepped cucumber. And when it's up to bring this all together. Then we can add our crushed garlic. I've used about 2 cloves, but you can use more, or you could use less. It's all down to your taste. Then we can mix this all in. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice, or if you prefer, you could use vinegar. And of course, you can add a few mixed herbs to this. You can use fresh or dry. This is not authentic, it's just my idea. Now you can cling film this. And leave this in the fridge for a couple of hours, or overnight would be even much better. So there we have it. A really scrumptious, delicious, fantastic, easy to make tzatziki sauce, which will go with pretty much everything. And it really does taste so good. This one's a bit heavy on the garlic, but you can cut down on that. You can alter it to suit yourself really. And yeah, well, what more can I say? Excuse me. Take care of the old whiskers. Anyway, thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe, like and share, and I shall see you guys again next time on the next video. Thanks once again for watching, and bye for now.